No, sir. No, sir.
There's the two guys lying here on the side.
Yes, they just...
It's the two drivers. They were most probably part of it. It's two Golfs, eh? Two Polos. Volkswagen Polos.
Where are you, buddy?
Yeah, no, it is. We're right here watching them stealing.
Okay, are you behind
These
me?
guys got rifles.
Can you see
and now
me?
they're running.
Can you see me? Okay, just keep close to me, eh?
Yeah.
Just keep close to me.
Oh, watch out. Yeah. There's another bomb.
Okay.
There's another bomb.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
come this side.
I think we just need to stay our distance.
Yeah, that's why I said we just keep your distance.
Yeah, call the police or something, yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to organize my work.
No, we never called them. Oh, okay. Alright, cool. As long as you guys are okay. No. Did we call the police? Eh?
No.
I'm gonna...
Oh no, we're calling them now.